And now, my compatriots in the Philippines and the world, please join me as we offer this poster. Panata sa kalayaan na may puri at kabanalan, or covenant with freedom anchored on honor and holiness of the Filipino race as done by the First Secretary of the Department of the Interior and Local Government, Supremo Andres Bonifacio. With this poster and with what we did today, guided by ancestors, saints, and heroes, this prophetic federalism as prophesied by saints and heroes will be fulfilled because on December 28, 2025, in my Rizal Day in Beausoleil, France, I offered the Knights of Rizal in the Rizal Hall of Beausoleil, France. I offered them to continue El Filibusterismo or the Reign of Greed, to continue the prophetic ending of Rizal in El Filibusterismo when Father Florentino said, there, in the midst of the sea, in the depths of the sea, the treasure tainted by greed and corruption will be saved when men and women worthy of God's sublime ideas will offer themselves. And so today, with you, my compatriots all over the world, we will fulfill this prophetic prophecy in El Filibusterismo of the Reign of Greed, and now it will be the Transfiguration, Hope, and Grace in the Marcos Jr. presidency, and through the sacred prophetic Philippines and France. Amen. Naku-close pa.